Bulk transport is simply the transport of a large number of materials. It can occur by endocytosis, which is the mass transport of substances into a cell, or exocytosis, mass transport of substances out of the cell. These processes happen via the cell membrane folding and engulfing the substances, forming a vesicle. A vesicle is simply a sac formed by the cell membrane that contains substances inside of it. It can be transported to other parts of the cell to transport the substances. Bulk transport of solids in the cell is called phagocytosis, and can even mean the engulfing of entire cells, such as phagocytes engulfing bacteria. When the cell engulfs another cell, a phagosome forms instead of a vesicle. The phagosome fuses with a lysosome, an organelle that contains digestive enzymes to digest the cell, and then the waste products are excreted via exocytosis. The bulk transport of liquids in the cell is called pinocytosis, or micropinocytosis if the vesicles formed are very small. Endocytosis can be mediated by receptors on the cell membrane. These receptors bind to specific substances outside of the cell membrane. On the intracellular side of the membrane, a protein called clathrin is found, which is responsible for the deformation of the cell membrane. Exocytosis occurs when a vesicle fuses with the cell membrane and releases its contents. The fact that the vesicle fuses with the cell membrane means that any proteins or other contents in the membrane of the vesicle are now present in the cell membrane.